Hello, welcome to SolarHomeAppointments.com, home of the self-guided solar panel consultation for homeowners. Get a full personalized report for your home in 10 to 15 minutes. No salesman needed. Our mission is to empower homeowners during the solar panel purchasing process and help you save money with an objective report. First, we do this with a self-guided solar energy consultation designed exactly as if I were sitting at your kitchen table. I'm going to ask you all the same questions. We're going to build you a full personalized PDF report for your home. It's going to have your net investment, i.e. your cost, your return on investment, your 30-year savings, your cost of doing nothing, how many solar panels you're going to need. We're also going to provide you a price range for systems similar to yours, what they've installed for in your area. Make sure you never overpay for your solar panels. We're going to provide you all the knowledge to empower, the full personalized PDF report, access to our exclusive installer marketplace. Using an online competitive marketplace will save you 15 to 20% over using a single installer. We're also going to provide you with the 2021 Buyer's Guide to Purchasing Solar Panels ebook. This is a fantastic reference tool. It's a 400-page ebook with all the questions a homeowner will have before moving forward with solar panels. So please get started now. We're here to help if you have any questions. Thank you so much.